In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MyFitnessPal. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. You will see a colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag. This is where you can find and install apps for your Android device. Once the Google Play Store is open, you'll see various categories of apps. This step is crucial because it gives you access to MyFitnessPal, the app we'll be setting up today. You want to ensure that you are connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. This allows for a smooth download process. Now navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in MyFitnessPal and hit search. You'll notice that as you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you quickly find the app you're looking for. When you click the search button, you'll see a list of results. This step is important because it allows you to locate the exact app you want, ensuring you download the right one. Next up, click the Install button next to the MyFitnessPal app. This button is usually green and prominently displayed. After you press it, the app will begin downloading. You will see a progress bar that indicates the download status. This part is essential because you need to wait until the app is fully installed before proceeding. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an open button appear, confirming that the app is ready to use. From there, select the Sign Up option when you first open the app. You will be given several options to register, including using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choosing a convenient registration method is key, as it will streamline your sign-in process later. Each option offers a different level of ease and security. This choice matters because it sets the foundation for your personal fitness journey. After that, add your name in the provided field. This is a straightforward process, as you simply type in your first and last name. Including your name personalizes your account and helps you feel more connected to your fitness goals. This is an important step as it builds a sense of ownership over your health journey. Now choose your primary health goal when prompted. You will see options like lose weight, maintain weight, or gain weight. It's crucial to select the option that best fits your current health objectives. This choice impacts the recommendations the app will provide, helping you stay aligned with your fitness aspirations. This little step saves you a lot of time later by tailoring the app to your needs. Next, select your baseline daily activity level. You will see options such as not very active or sedentary. If you have a desk job, it's advisable to choose one of these options. This selection helps the app accurately estimate your caloric needs. This is important because it allows the app to provide a realistic view of your daily energy expenditure and dietary requirements. With that ready, set your weekly target pace. You might choose to lose half a kilogram or 1 pound per week. The app will then generate an automated daily calorie and macro target based on your selection. This is a pivotal moment in your setup as it directly influences your daily intake goals. Knowing your targets helps keep your progress on track, providing motivation and clarity in your journey. Now add your email address and password, then click Next. This step secures your account and allows you to save your progress. It's important to choose a strong password to protect your personal information. After this, you may see your daily net goal displayed, which gives you an immediate sense of what you should be aiming for in your diet. At this point, you may be prompted to consider a premium account. This can offer additional features, but keep in mind you can take a free trial depending on the requirements. This is a good opportunity to explore if the premium features align with your goals. Next, tap the plus icon displayed on your screen. This icon usually appears at the bottom right corner. Clicking this icon allows you to log food and activities. It's a crucial step as logging is a core feature of MyFitnessPal, helping you track your intake and exercise effectively. Log food by tapping the Diary tab. From there, select Add Food under a meal and use the search bar to find your items. Adjusting the serving size before saving ensures accuracy in your logging. This is vital because precise tracking allows you to meet your dietary goals more effectively. Next, scan barcodes by tapping the barcode icon next to the food search bar. This feature allows for instant logging of packaged foods by scanning their labels. This saves time and enhances accuracy, making your tracking experience smoother. Finally, you can also voice log or meal scan. This feature offers an alternative way to log your meals quickly. It's especially useful when you're on the go, ensuring you can keep up with your goals without much hassle. With these steps completed, you are now ready to start using MyFitnessPal effectively. Enjoy your journey towards better health.